What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. Now, I'm hoping some point this thing will get used again, and I know we can. I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because, I mean, look at this machine. I mean, you can see this thing will get used almost quite a bit. You see, there is still water still, there is still water still left in this machine. You can see, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's still water still left in there, you see, because when you're able to push this button right here, it does like anything else you can see, but if you lock it into place, it won't do anything, you see, because what this button actually does, you can see, is it slows down a little bit, then when you push it again, it goes faster, and it goes high speed, which I think that's why exactly you can see, because I thought that thing was actually was gonna turn to go super fast, but the second push it again, slows down, and then push it again, goes faster, which I think that's what how you see, because you see how much expected this thing, which is definitely what I expected this machine, exactly, which it's not that bad in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used again this year. So I really hope some point this thing will get. I was really surprised that this thing got used last weekend exactly, which is definitely how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely what I expected this machine exactly, which it's definitely how much expected this machine exactly, but don't surprise the thing is it could get used almost like quite a bit, because well, I expected this thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much expected this machine exactly, which it's definitely how much expected this thing. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year again. But you know what exactly? I mean, you can see that this is a 2024 model, so this thing came out like last year. And as you see, because you see how it's better. I was surprised the thing was made. You can see because you see how much better this machine is. This type of looks pretty nice, in my opinion. So it will be used again at some point this year, because you know how better this machine is being used almost 5 times already. Which it's definitely how much it's better this machine is, which is definitely looks pretty nice, in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. So it is definitely really expected this machine will be used again.